Imagine you're a knight tasked with protecting a grand castle. How would you ensure its safety? Would you not first survey the land, assess the castle's strengths and weaknesses, and then take measures to fortify it? In the digital world, this knight is a cybersecurity professional, and the castle is your network. Today, we're going to delve into 3 crucial steps in cybersecurity: reconnaissance, assessment, and securing access and applications. Reconnaissance, or recon, is the first step. It's like the knight scouting out the surrounding lands, gathering information about potential threats. In cybersecurity, this means gathering data about a target system. This could involve identifying IP addresses, discovering open ports, or even mapping out network security measures. Tools like Nmap or Wireshark can help with this. They're like your trusty steed, carrying you across the digital landscape. Next, we have assessment. This is when the knight inspects the castle walls, the gates, and the guard routines. In cybersecurity, this involves analyzing the information gathered during recon. You're looking for vulnerabilities in the system. For example, are there open ports that shouldn't be? Are there outdated software versions that could be exploited? Tools like Nessus or OpenVAS can assist in this process. They're your trusty squire, helping you identify the weak spots in your defenses. Finally, we have securing access and applications. This is when the knight strengthens the castle's defenses, trains the guards, and ensures the gate is only opened for those who are supposed to enter. In cybersecurity, this involves implementing measures to protect the system. This can include updating software, closing unnecessary ports, and setting up firewalls. You might also implement two-factor authentication or use secure coding practices to protect applications. It's like outfitting your castle with a drawbridge and moat. To summarize, cybersecurity is much like being a knight protecting a castle. You first conduct reconnaissance, gathering information about the system. Then you assess the system, identifying vulnerabilities. Finally, you secure access and applications, implementing measures to protect the system. Remember, the digital realm is a dynamic landscape, constantly changing and evolving. As cybersecurity professionals, it's our duty to stay vigilant, to continue learning and adapting. So keep your armor polished and your sword sharp. Our journey into the depths of cybersecurity is far from over. Stay tuned for more courses as we continue to explore this fascinating realm. Until next time, keep those castles safe and secure. Before we wrap things up, it's important to mention that our journey into the depths of cybersecurity doesn't end here. At Demystify Tech, we are constantly developing more courses to help you expand your knowledge and skills. Whether you're a seasoned cybersecurity knight or a beginner just stepping into the digital realm, we have something for everyone. Our upcoming courses will delve deeper into topics we've touched upon today, as well as explore new areas of the cybersecurity landscape. We're excited to continue this journey with you, providing you with the tools and knowledge you need to protect your digital castles. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you won't miss out on any of our new courses. Remember, in the world of cybersecurity, learning is your best defense. Until our next adventure, keep your armor polished, your sword sharp, and your digital castles safe. We'll see you soon on at Demystify Tech.